Hello everybody. Today we are using AgentSpec to automate the process of turning operational data into decisions and business insights. We are going to do this by building an agent that helps a last mile delivery company monitor performance, detect exceptions, and provide high-level recommendations. We begin by logging into our company's AgentSpec environment and selecting Create New Agent. In the prompt section, I paste a detailed specification. This is where I describe exactly what I want the agent to do. I explain that this is an operational and insight agent designed specifically for last mile delivery. I want it to track metrics across full operational journey from scanning, routing to dispatch, all the way through delivery completion, and also highlight specific insights like the top performing riders, critical exceptions, SLA breaches, and so on and so forth. I also instruct the agent to deliver daily reports automatically at 7:30 p.m. Next, I provide the dataset. For this build, we are using the first comprehensive last mile delivery dataset available in the industry, which is published on Hugging Face. I paste the link in the prompt. The agent immediately understands what it has to do and confirms that I'm open to connecting to my Gmail account as well as to a browser tool. It automatically starts looking for tools necessary for my agent to be deployed. It then asks me for a confirmation around the thresholds. I already have those details and share it in the prompt. After asking my confirmation about creating this workflow, it starts building the agent immediately. It then shares with me the workflow configuration and also a summary of what the workflow will look like. On the right-hand side, you can see a very clear workflow. And when you expand that workflow, you see the steps that it is taking. It now mentions that the agent is ready for deployment, and I can deploy the agent with a single click on the button Deploy on the right-hand corner. I save the agent as Delivery Operation Insights Agent 2 and save configuration. It is now the next day, and I want to see how my company did on the day before. When I go into workflows, I see that my agent was a success. Hence, I should have received an email. And there it is. It is a daily operations report that is for the date of 16 December. As you can see, it mentions an executive summary that highlights the problems, has an alert dashboard as well that shows 3 critical metrics, city-wise performance breakdowns, problem zones, as well as tomorrow's forecast, which it says is in high confidence. There are also actionable recommendations, and in the end, you can see that this whole report was generated by Ops and Founder Insight Agent. And that is how you make an AI agent in minutes.